Quantum physics is the science of non-existent things. Experience tells us that we learn 1. By observation, perception. 2. By comparison, analogy. 3. By generalization, induction, and 4. By personalization, deduction. Observation also includes measurements. This area includes measuring units and measuring instruments. What are we measuring in reality? Let's say this for now. We measure 1. Time and 2. Space. For time, we have measurement units of seconds, minutes, hours, etc. And we have measuring instruments for time units. For space we have measurement units millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, etc. And we have measuring instruments for measuring units of space, that is, distances. What do we measure with time measuring instruments? We are measuring something that does not exist. Because time is actually a succession of states of affairs. What do we measure with space measuring instruments? We are measuring something that does not exist. Because space is made by the distance between bodies. Time and space have been studied in the science called physics for hundreds of years. Physics deals with matter in time and space. This is the so-called classical physics. It measures and observes matter that is known chemically. People study the behavior of matter in a science that they separated from classical physics and named it quantum physics. Quantum physics also uses instruments and measurement units for measuring the behavior of matter that are not known to either chemistry or classical physics. Since in the so-called quantum physics, people do not use instruments and measurement units for time and space, people invented subatomic particles there. In the end, they fantasized about 200 of them. So, 1. We have measuring units and measuring instruments for something that does not exist, time. 2. We have measuring units and measuring instruments for something else that does not exist, space, and 3. We have a whole science for the psychology of matter. Humans managed to invent measuring units and instruments for changes of state in matter and for distances between material objects. But understanding the behavior of matter requires a brain that understands the cosmos as an intelligent being. That being is essentially misunderstood by people, God. It means that this civilization exists on the science of two things that do not exist, time and space, and on the fictional science of non-existent things, subatomic particles. Quantum physics as the science of subatomic particles that do not exist.